What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the GM YouTube channel. Today we are going to be going over the real way to become funding in 2023. And remember guys, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to comment, like and subscribe down below. Now, if you've been in the industry for just even a minute, you may find that there are gurus and mentors out there that throw these unrealistic numbers and show you strategies that just don't work. These strategies and these concepts taught by the gurus and marketers all show over a long period of time that they are not profitable. However, in this video today, we are going to be showing you everything you need to know to become funded in 2023. First, we have to start with dropping the ego. Now, if you think that you're going to become profitable in a month, 2 months, maybe even a year, then you may not as well start. Now, remember, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Nobody should be looking to become funded in 1 month. Usually, it will take around 1 year to 2 years to become profitable. Next, we want to look at tendencies. Now, tendencies are a great way to build a model because they can tell you what times to trade, whether you should be trading on a certain day of the week, and whether you should be trading news and much more. Overall, this will help you develop your entire trading plan. What we want to be looking at are the tendencies to give us our rules. We don't want to go into the market to give it set rules or concepts and they might not work. We want to go in, find out how a pair moves, and then that can tell us what rules we need to apply. After finding all of your tendencies and asking the market questions, you can then go on to develop your model and then even more back test it and forward test it. Now, at this point, all we want to do is find something that is repeatable. We want something that we can come to the market every single day, all week, and say, that's my setup, that's what I'm looking for. Now, this will take time. This may take up to 6 months just to develop your model. It takes a lot of detail to actually refine your model. However, once it is developed, it will be quite easy to get into the hang of things on back testing and forward testing. Now, once you have developed your model and you are back testing, you want to be going back a long way away. This could be up to 2016, 2015, just to find how your model is going to perform through different market cycles. You might find that your model only works during a high interest rate market, and you might find that it only works maybe in the summer or the winter. And you can use this data to actually find out what sort of risk measurements you should be taking, whether you should be going BE early, whether you should be holding your trade for a little bit longer or taking partials along the way. Now, once you have collected all of your data, you've back tested and forward tested, you are now ready to go for your funded account. One way that you can actually go for a funded account is how I did it. And I went from back testing all the way into forward testing onto a live account. And the reason for this is because I wanted to test my raw emotions once I was trading a live account. I didn't want to forward test and, get into a trade and not be amazingly attached to it. Whereas if I got into forward testing with a live account, I could actually feel the emotion of getting into a trade and getting out of a trade. This gave me the ability to actually look on my model and find out if I was going wrong or the model was. If this works during the forward testing on the live account, then perfect. You can carry on trading and get onto your funded account. However, if you fail it, then you have to do a little bit more refining on your model. Now, this shouldn't be a 100K or a 200K account. You should be looking at maybe a 10 to 25K account just to start off. Once you have passed the account and you are confident within your model, you can then move on to larger accounts. Now, remember guys, this is a very lengthy process. It does take very long to become funded and consistently profitable. However, if you put in the time and you put in the work, you can definitely get there. Now guys, that has been another video on the GM YouTube channel. Now, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and comment below. It would really help us out a lot.